Thank you. Oh my god.
Pizza! Che roba locale! Avecca, vecca, vecca!
So amazing.
It's like you just tasted like life
You said it tastes like a musical. It tastes like an opera.
That is something that you would say.
The high notes. It's hitting the highest notes. Boom. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at what this
One more.
Oh, look at that beautiful oregano. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's so delicious. It's so flavorful. And the olive oil, it's the perfect amount.
All right, now you have to hold the camera again for me.
Okay.
I want another bite here.
I hear you.
Yeah,
it's so delicious.
Yeah. I'm literally doing like a musical. I can't explain right now.
Yeah, there's no cannoli like this back home. It is the best cannoli ever.
Isn't that the best thing you've ever tasted? Like
Yes.
that?
Oh. Incredible.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
The shell, incredible. The inside, the texture, the creaminess, the chocolate, the elegance of the filling is something I've never experienced before. It's stupendous. It's magnificent.
It's just transporting me like to a place that I don't even understand right now. This flavor. You said it, the ricotta. The ricotta is so fresh. Oh my gosh. And when even combined with just something else other than the ricotta, like I could just eat the cream in this, but let alone the shell, the flavors on top. This is one of the best things that I've ever tasted. Like this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I left the cherry for you too, man. I left that for you. I knew you wanted that.
You're very sweet to
Leaving you with the best bites. Yeah, I'm leaving you with the best bites here.
You are.
Just don't. Just whatever you do, don't bite into the center here.
All right.
Because we have a
Okay.
dilemma there.
I need to save this just in case over there. There we go. Ah. It's. I'm speechless. In all my life, never tried anything this good.
Unbelievable.
Wow. So grateful. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome.
Figliolo su Matteo, figliolo su Matteo. Un bacio.
Oh.
E questo è uno. Questo è
This is the first one. This is the second one.
Ah,
My name is Bob. Bob. And I,
come si chiama? L'altro trovato a Negasino.
Rosella Campagna mi chiamo, sogno di Caccamo. Vicini Uruguay, vicini neighbors in the country house. Siamo pure allora vicini.
Pace, il tuo nonno. Giusto? Che bello nonno.
No space.
It's a big family.
Yeah. Da chiamare Giuseppe. Casinina.
my son Bobby. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And now I.
Bobby from Chicago.
Bobby Brisky. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Fedele.
Fedele from Palermo.
From Palermo.
From Palermo.
His
daddy? Matteo.
Mio padre, Matteo.
Guardi la camera, guardi da qua. Saluti gli amici nel mondo.
Arrivederci a tutti. Salute!
Salute a tutti,
Salute, no,
salute.
arrivederci.
Well, here, you want some?
Drunk? Perché fa?
Che sta facendo?
Anybody else? We're in Palermo with our cousins.
Come state?
Yes, we're having a wonderful time.
Dai, auguri. Auguri,
San
complimenti.
Giorgio.